Hello guys, welcome to next video, new video. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday we couldn't upload a video, so that's why we are coming today to update you on what's going on with Bitcoin at the moment. So we have a new weekly candle close. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently fighting exactly our $59,416. So that's our price level. That's our main level to keep an eye on. We've been keeping an eye on this level since Bitcoin got rejected at the middle of this major channel, as you can see. So we got rejected, and we are trying at the moment to protect our 59,000 level. So last week we update you on this downward channel that Bitcoin keeps repeating all the time, which is good. It's an advantage for us because we keep spotting those channels all the time, and we know what to do once Bitcoin actually retests the bottom of these channels. So for testing the bottom of this channel is a great opportunity to accumulate, and in case of you wanting to trade, the top of the channel could be a great area to take profit or do a quick trade. But otherwise, this is an area that you can keep accumulating or position yourself for the possible breakout to the upside, as we've been mentioning that Bitcoin is not topping, and the only time Bitcoin tops is when we get the DXY to become red on the super gappy indicator. So meaning we are still on the accumulation phase during this green area on the DXY. We keep repeating ourselves, but the thing is, we only gonna turn bearish when we see the DXY turning red on the super gap indicator, which is not the case for this bull run at the moment. And we have this downward channel, which is good. The same thing happened during this green phase on DXY. We got a channel, good time to accumulate, and then we enter the red, and we can see what happened to the price. So whether we're going to be able to break our 77,000 level, we don't know. We still have resistance at this the middle of this channel. Could be another resistance, but a breakout of this channel would be great, a great trade if you position yourself accordingly. So far we've been protecting our 59,000 level, the most important thing for us. And you can see that the DXY is still closing candle below this moving average on the super gap indicator, which is really good. You can see, we mentioned in our last video that the DXY closing candles below this moving average signals the beginning. That means that the DXY is becoming weaker, and most likely will turn red in a few weeks and months, which is where we can see a price explosion on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin DXY ratio, we can see that the ratio is behaving normally. We already below, we can see the RSI is now below the 50 again. We've been mentioning these move above the downward trend line and above the 50 level as a fake out. We can see this happen all the time. This happened during the so-called COVID crash. There was a fake out, breaking, and never turn back. We can see this happen as well in 2017. It was a quick fake out and returning and price explosion. And we kind of believe that this could be a fake out as well. And if the other side returns below this downward trend line, this could be considered a fake out or a price it could explode. And we could see Bitcoin breaking this channel to the upside. So that's the update for today, guys. We believe that something big is likely to happen to Bitcoin in a few weeks and months, and we're gonna have to keep an eye on this RSI, on the DXY Bitcoin ratio. Make sure it doesn't return above the 50 level. We want it to break this downward trend line to the downside, and we want the Bitcoin to hold our 59,000 level and possibly breaking this channel to the upside, this downward channel to the upside, and a quick break of this level is likely to put, let's say, if Bitcoin breaks this level to the upside, we can see that it's likely to find rejection at the middle of this channel again, which would put the price roughly at 86,000, or this is when we're going to challenge our 77,000 level, which is not bad. But retesting this, the middle of this channel again with the DXY, turning red, this could have an impact on the price, and we could possibly break this middle of this channel to the upside and potentially explore this area between $110 and $174,000. So this is what I believe could happen if the DXY becomes red, which marks the market acceleration. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, and I will see you next Monday. Thank you very much. Bye.